Hello everybody. I might sound a little weird today, but that's because I'm getting sick. Hold on. Did this say one sec? Right, today I thought we were doing Doctor Who, and this is didn't wait no, he never had anything. Let's say Doctor Who. Yeah. But apparently it's Doctor Who. I did a little research and it's made by some people from the Pony Production program, and apparently it's the story about Doctor Who coming to Ponyville, it was called, and that's basically all I went through. But it did have one pony. Now this might sound a little weird because I'm a boy. I think I'm going insane because I'm sick, but I don't really like My Little Pony, except for Dinky. Dinky, you can't just not like her. I don't think it's physically possible to not like Dinky. Anyway, let's see what this is. Who can I see around leading me somewhere? Why can't I see an arrow leading me somewhere? So I'm the doctor. Hello, I'm the doctor. Oh man, I said doctor. Red arrow will guide you to the right place. Oh, so I have to go this way. Hotel. It said red arrow, right? Well, where does the blue? Oh, the blue arrow leads to the sea. What does this say? Cross the lake. Okay. This is perfect because I did watch one episode, and there's one thing that follows the doctor. Danger. Lots and lots of danger. Also Dinky. And apparently a fellow named TikTok. I don't actually know who he is. But I did hear he's an inventor of some sort that is very intrigued by some kind of toaster. Doctor Who time machine. That means he is here in this time. Oh, so am I Dinky? I'm going in. Police box. I honestly think I'm Dinky. I think I'm actually happy because of that. Ooh. What's this? Pull the lever to get time travel key. What's it? Wait, is there like something different in one of these? Nope. Okay. The thing's already lit. Can't really see anything. They go in. Oh, I touched the thingy. Wait, what's I don't remember. I don't remember. Wait, what? Huh? Whoa, I actually need that. This is quite a predicament. Okay, I want time. Welcome to the future. Oh man, I'm going to. Wait, I can't Debbie because Debbie likes wheat, right? Huh? Oh, poo. Cut my readiness. Might have to come back in a few seconds once. Oh, there's a package. Ooh, maybe it's the doctor's magic stick, was it? Oh, a mind clock. That told me to go this way. Am I supposed to write it? Well, as the doctor would say, actually, what would he say? Onward, I guess? Onward! Woohoo! Whoa, the future looks so amazing. Hold on, doesn't it have a weird eye? Yeah, yes, I am a fan of Dobby, okay? I can't help it. I literally can't help it. I don't think anyone couldn't be a big fan of Dobby. Or even if you're a little fan, then still, that counts. I don't know why I'm a fan of Dobby. I guess it's because of muffins. I love muffins as well. Oh man, I really do. Look at all these future people. They have such big brains. Maybe that's what they're going for. Anyway, I have the key to the TARDIS. Is this going anywhere? Really? Is it any? If I just end up in the... Oh. Ah! What the? I'm gonna talk like Dobby when a sign comes up. Now you can set your mod on creative and explore. Uzi said what? Oh, so now I'm here. I'm actually going to mod and like stop the rain because it's glitching me out. But was that really it? And I never talked in the signs of futuristic and stuff. I mean, Derpy, like, well, I'll try my best to imitate Derpy. Wow, this is such an amazing place. And I can see two things at once. Cool. If only TikTok was here. Ooh, is this a subway or something? I hope they have muffins. But yeah, I think I could do better if I wasn't sick. So sorry if this video came up a little late. Wow. Ooh, maybe there's a muffin shop somewhere. Hopefully. Wait, where's the TARDIS? Uh-oh. Doctor, TikTok. Other things that Dobby says. Okay, that's basically everything that's everything I know about Dobby. Muffins? Wait, I do remember one thing about Dobby. One thing. And this is one of the main reasons why I like Dobby. Posterior way. Wait, no. Posterior. Poo. Posterior way. Bung. Posterior way. Bung. That is one of the main reasons why I love Dobby. Alright, so I guess that's it. No, it can't be. I didn't even get the lighting thing on fire. You know what? No. I'm not ending this until it burns. No, I feel like it's something important. The future's gonna burn. And when I learn about it, I'm gonna say, alright, I went forward in time and burned everything. Oh man, I totally forgot about that. I feel like I just changed. Not right now, Kaya! Sorry about that, it's my big sister. So yeah, I'm going to try to see something of the doctors when I exit. Thank you all for watching. Please have a good day and pick up some muffins. Eat a muffin. Hold on. Smash like with a muffin. If you don't have a muffin, then go buy a muffin. If you can't buy a muffin, bake a muffin. If you can't bake a muffin, I don't know. But that's basically everything that I have. Anyway, hey, it's time to travel through time again. And hopefully you have a time machine to see my next video. Because I need to get back to the TARDIS. Actually, I think I'm stuck in the freezer forever. Oh poo. Oh poo. Oh poo. Anyway. Onward! That's what he said. Onward! My dad's not here to open presents with me. Oh, I wonder what he got for me. Maybe it was TNT. Hey everybody, I'm back. Actually, I never left. Anyway, one sec, let me grab my baby. Now it's my baby. Oh, one sec, let me fill this thing up with TNT. This thing is a little short and I just wanted to blow something else up since there was no real destruction. And where's the opening of this tree? I don't even know. You know what? Who cares? Who cares? I'm gonna blow this up anyway. So, yeah. Alright, so see you really quickly. Stack the hardwood, giant pieces of TNT. La 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 la, la 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 la. It's not Christmas yet, but it will be eventually. It will all blow up. Sounds it? Sorry, God. La 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 la, loo 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 loo, lee la la lee. Oh, Christmas time is so great. But it's not exactly not. I don't know what year it is. I don't want to check. I just want to blow up the stuff. La 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 da 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 do dee 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 dee. Do 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 do. This one will blow up really fast. I'm going to catch my own gun. La 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 la. Alright, how'd you like my Christmas song? You didn't? How could you? How could you not like it? Anyway, time to light this bad baby. Actually, this good baby. Die, everybody! And this is how you spend Christmas! Woo! Oh, we hardly saw the explosion! It hardly did any damage. Oh, well, at least that's okay. You know what? That was so disappointing. You know what? That was so disappointing that this house is going up in flames and it's gonna blow up some. And a boom, a boom, a boom, a boom. And thank you all for watching. If you like this mini started of explosions, then please leave a like. And if you want me and Top Pop to do something called speed building, I don't know what it is, but I heard that people would like to see that or something. So if you don't want to see that, please leave a giant like. Use your muffin or your sonic screwdriver. And I'll see you all next time. So long. 911, can you please put out this house?